Tired of slow charging and juggling multiple devices on the road? Imagine powering 2 gadgets at full speed, without the hassle or the wait. Our dual USB outlet with QC3.0 technology charges up to 4 times faster than conventional chargers, giving you the power boost you need, wherever you are. I've tested this USB outlet on road trips, in my boat, and even on my golf cart. Installation was a breeze, and the touch power switch made it easy to save energy without unplugging devices. The built-in smart IC keeps the current stable, so my phones and tablets charge safely and efficiently every time. Plus, it fits seamlessly in any vehicle or marine setup, powering everything from smartphones to power banks without a hitch. Ready to upgrade your charging game? This 2-pack offers a spare outlet for your travel bag or second vehicle, so you're always prepared. With a 60-day refund guarantee, 5-year replacement, and lifetime support, you can buy with confidence. Don't settle for slow or unreliable charging. Grab your dual USB outlet today and keep your devices powered up wherever life takes you.